Good morning. I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research.
I'm Andy Myers, and this is your morning market alert for Thursday, February 3rd. Stock futures are pointing to a flat open on Wall Street as we head into a busy day for corporate and economic news. Investors are digesting this week's data on jobless claims ahead of tomorrow's closely watched government employment report. A gauge of fourth quarter productivity is also out, and we'll get readings on the service sector and factory orders later this morning.
On the corporate front, retailers are reporting their same-store sales figures for January. So far, the numbers are fairly positive, but heavy storms in the Northeast did take a toll on some chains. Shares of Macy's, Gap, and Limited Brands are all sharply higher in the pre-market following strong results. Target didn't fare quite as well. Its January sales rose just 1.7%, but Costco Wholesale posted a 9% increase. Meanwhile, one of Costco's biggest rivals, BJ's Wholesale Club, said it's exploring a sale of the company. Its shares are jumping nearly 15% on the news.
It's a big day on the earnings calendar as well. Pharmaceutical giant Merck swung to a fourth quarter loss of more than $500 million, compared to a profit of nearly $7 billion a year ago. The decline was mainly due to accounting adjustments, restructuring, and merger-related costs. Shares of Merck are losing nearly 2%. But Merck's competitor, GlaxoSmithKline, is moving higher in the pre-market and in London trading. It also lost money in the latest quarter due to legal costs, but Glaxo boosted its dividend and announced a long-term stock buyback program. One of the day's big winners is likely to be Dow Chemical. It's jumping nearly 5% right now. Dow said its net income nearly tripled in the latest quarter, topping estimates.
Several other big names are out with their quarterly results this morning, including CVS Caremark, Kellogg, MasterCard, Starwood Hotels, and the New York Times. We're keeping an eye on all those stocks, and we'll let you know which of them are moving the markets after the opening bell. Following yesterday's closing bell, News Corp, Visa, and Yum Brands all reported earnings. Yum Brands, which operates Taco Bell, KFC, and Pizza Hut, among other fast food chains, posted a 27% increase in fourth quarter profit, thanks to higher margins, strong growth in China, and improving sales trends in the U.S. The stock is jumping nearly 4% in the pre-market. News Corp may also open higher after the media giant said its profit more than doubled in the latest quarter. News Corp credited an increase in advertising sales at its cable networks and TV stations. The company also said operating income this year will grow by double digits over last year.
In other news, the European Central Bank left its key interest rate unchanged at a record low 1%. The decision was widely expected, and the attention now turns to ECB President Jean-Claude Trichet's monthly news conference, which is happening as we speak. The euro is losing ground against the US dollar following the announcement, helping to push oil prices back near $92 a barrel. That's the latest from Weiss Research. We'll be back after the opening bell with all the market reaction.